What's the meaning of Archie Bunker? Archie Bunker. Archie Bunker.
Archie Bunker. Archie Bunker. Archie Bunker is a fictional character from the classic American TV series, All in the Family. The show, which aired from 1971 to 1979, depicted the life of a working-class family in Queens, New York. Archie Bunker was portrayed as a white, conservative, and often bigoted man who made controversial comments about minority groups. His character served as a representation of the changing societal attitudes towards race, gender, and sexuality during the time period. Despite his flaws, Archie was also portrayed as a loving husband and father who eventually grew to become more accepting of others.